We'll guide you through how to use GitHub with VS Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. You need to ensure you have the GitHub extension installed. You can do this by going to the Extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the left sidebar. Then type GitHub in the search bar. Once you find the GitHub Pull Requests and Issues extension, click Install. After installing, you'll see a new icon that looks like a GitHub logo on the sidebar. Click on it to open the GitHub panel. Now, you need to sign in to your GitHub account. Click on the Sign In button and follow the prompts to authenticate your account. Once you're signed in, you can clone a GitHub repository directly into VS Code. Click on the source control icon, which looks like a branch, and then click on Clone Repository. Paste the URL of the GitHub repository you want to clone, and select the location on your machine where you want to store it. VS Code will then clone the repository and open it in a new window. If you want to create a new repository, go back to the GitHub panel and click on the plus icon. Enter the name and description of your repository. Choose if you want it to be public or private, and then click Create Repository. You can now start adding files to your project. Use the source control panel to stage, commit, and push your changes to GitHub. Simply write your commit message and press the checkmark icon to commit. Then click on the three dots menu and select Push to send your changes to the GitHub server. You can also manage pull requests directly from VS Code by going to the GitHub panel and selecting the Pull Requests icon. This integration makes it seamless to handle your GitHub projects without leaving VS Code. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.